Good day or evening, dear participants. In this fifth lecture of Module 5, we are going to focus on teachers as managers and administrators in the classroom. An important question: why teachers should be managers and administrators in the classroom? Teachers play a crucial role as managers and administrators of teaching and learning in the classroom. Beyond being educators, they are responsible for creating a conducive learning environment. Organizing and delivering instruction, managing student behavior, assessing student progress, and fostering a positive and inclusive classroom culture, as Anna Louie argued in 1995. In this managerial and administrative role, teachers perform various tasks and fulfill multiple responsibilities to ensure effective teaching and learning. One of the primary responsibilities of teachers as managers is to plan and organize the curriculum. They develop lesson plans, select appropriate instructional materials, and design learning activities that align with educational standards and learning objectives. By carefully structuring the curriculum, teachers provide a roadmap for the learning process and establish clear expectations for students. Teachers also act as administrators by establishing routines and managing classroom logistics. They create schedules, allocate time for different subjects and activities, and manage transitions between lessons. Effective time management helps optimize instructional time and keeps the classroom running smoothly. Managing student behavior is another important aspect of a teacher's role. They establish and enforce classroom rules, set expectations for student conduct, and create a positive and respectful learning environment. Teachers employ various strategies, such as positive reinforcement, behavior contracts, and classroom discussions, to promote positive behavior and address disciplinary issues. By effectively managing student behavior, teachers create a safe and supportive atmosphere that enhances student engagement and learning. Assessment and evaluation are key components of teaching and learning, and teachers play a central role in this process. They design and administer formative and summative assessments to gauge student progress and understanding. Teachers use assessment data to provide feedback, identify areas for improvement, and adjust their instructional strategies accordingly. They also maintain records of student performance, generate progress reports, and communicate with parents or guardians to keep them informed about their child's academic development. In addition to these administrative responsibilities, teachers also act as facilitators of learning. They employ various instructional methods and techniques to engage students, deliver content effectively, and promote critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Teachers differentiate instruction to meet the diverse needs and abilities of students, adapting their teaching style and providing additional support or challenges as necessary. They encourage active participation, promote collaboration, and create opportunities for student-led discussions and activities. Teachers also serve as mentors and advisors to their students, providing guidance and support beyond the academic realm. They foster positive relationships, promote social-emotional development, and help students develop essential life skills. By serving as role models and mentors, teachers contribute to the holistic growth and development of their students. Overall, teachers, as managers and administrators of teaching and learning, are responsible for creating an effective and engaging learning environment, implementing the curriculum, managing student behavior, assessing progress, and fostering a positive classroom culture. Their multifaceted role requires a combination of pedagogical skills, organizational abilities, interpersonal competencies, and a deep commitment to student success. Why should teachers value quality assurance in curriculum development and implementation? Without a doubt, quality assurance plays a vital role in both the development and implementation of the curriculum. It oversees the entire curriculum development cycle, starting with policy dialogue, and then curriculum change, design, and implementation. Quality assurance also oversees the other components of the curriculum, such as the capacity building of the curriculum implementers, teachers, inspectors, and school principals, and the curriculum and learners evaluation. Nasir, N. 2017. It also ensures that educational programs meet established standards, support student learning, and achieve desired educational outcomes. It promotes continuous improvement, stakeholder satisfaction, alignment with educational goals, compliance, and accountability. By focusing on quality, It endeavors to improve the overall educational experience for students and contribute to the success of both individuals and educational institutions. One of the key objectives of quality assurance is to establish and maintain high standards in teaching, learning, and assessment. This involves developing clear and well-defined learning outcomes, designing effective instructional strategies, and implementing rigorous assessment methods to evaluate student performance. By ensuring that these elements are of high quality, quality assurance helps to create an environment that supports effective teaching and meaningful learning experiences. Here's an overview of the role of quality assurance in curriculum development and implementation. What role quality assurance plays in curriculum development? Quality assurance sets in motion the following actions during the process of curriculum development. 1. Ensure that the curriculum development process starts with a well-defined set of goals and objectives that align with the educational vision and standards. During this phase, the policy dialogue is initiated, stakeholders are identified, and the process of seeking input and feedback is initiated through the consultation process. 2. Involve researching and incorporating evidence-based best practices in curriculum design and pedagogy to ensure effective teaching and learning. 3. Ensure that the curriculum is aligned with relevant national, state, or educational standards, guidelines, and frameworks. 4. Ensure, through review and validation of the curriculum, the accuracy, coherence, and appropriateness of the curriculum for the intended learners. 5. Ensure obtaining feedback and input from various stakeholders, such as educators, subject matter experts, parents, and students, to incorporate diverse perspectives and ensure relevance. 6. Ensure that learning and teaching resources, including textbooks, are developed in line with the curriculum requirements. 7. Develop a process for quality assurance of assessment, PQAA, that could contribute to the improvement of teaching, learning, and assessment. Engage teachers and students to test and contribute to the process involving the PQAA according to Lukander and Christensen in 2020. What role quality assurance plays curriculum implementation? Quality assurance sets in motion a series of essential actions as the curriculum implementation process unfolds. 1. Monitors the fidelity of curriculum implementation, ensuring that teachers are delivering the curriculum as intended and making necessary adjustments when needed and based on students' needs. 2. Assess the availability and adequacy of resources, including textbooks, materials, technology, and infrastructure required for effective curriculum delivery. 3. Provide support and professional development opportunities to teachers, ensuring they have the necessary knowledge, skills, and support to effectively implement the curriculum. 4. Establish mechanisms for assessing student learning and progress, including the development of assessment tools, monitoring their effectiveness, and ensuring alignment with curriculum objectives. 5. Initiate ongoing monitoring and evaluation of curriculum implementation, collecting feedback from teachers, students, and other stakeholders, and making necessary revisions and improvements to enhance its effectiveness. As a result, quality assurance in curriculum development and implementation ensures that the curriculum is of a high caliber, pertinent, aligned with standards, effectively implemented by well-trained teachers, and continuously improved to meet the needs of learners and educational goals. It is important to note that evaluation of the processes at each stage of the curriculum development cycle is important to ensure the accuracy of the processes. It helps maintain the integrity and effectiveness of the curriculum throughout its life cycle. Let us reflect. We discussed the role of teachers as managers and administrators of teaching and learning in the classroom and the importance of quality assurance in curriculum development and implementation. We also looked at various aspects of teachers' responsibilities, such as planning, organizing, delivering, assessing, and facilitating instruction, as well as the role of quality assurance in ensuring alignment, effectiveness, and improvement of the curriculum. Now, what questions should we start asking ourselves? What comes to my immediate thinking is, 1. What are some of the tasks and responsibilities that teachers perform as managers and administrators of teaching and learning in the classroom? Consider your own context. 2. What are the benefits of quality assurance in curriculum development and implementation? 3. What are some of the elements of a process for quality assurance of assessment? PQAA. Reflect in writing on these 3 questions using the Gibbs Reflective Cycle Guide, which will be shared with you in this module. Compile your reflection in the e-journal available within the e-learning platform in use in this self-paced online course. Share your reflections with your colleagues at work, and also share them on the Community of Practice platform, which will be shared with you. In conclusion, this lecture discussed the role of teachers as managers and administrators of teaching and learning in the classroom. We explored the various aspects of this role, such as planning and organizing the curriculum, managing student behavior, assessing and evaluating student progress, facilitating learning, and mentoring and advising students. We also examined the importance of quality assurance in curriculum development and implementation and how it ensures that the curriculum is aligned with standards, relevant, effective, and continuously improved. We also learned about the process for quality assurance of assessment and how it contributes to the improvement of teaching, learning, and assessment. In the next lecture, we will look at some of the challenges and opportunities that teachers face as managers and administrators of teaching and learning in the classroom. If you have any questions or challenges with any of the concepts discussed in this lecture, please use the discussion forum of Module 6 under Lecture 5 to ask questions and answer other participants' questions as well. Thank you for your attention.